Okay, so today with this story, we were talking about how the beetle got her colors. While we reread this story, we're going to think about the characters, the setting, and what happened in the story. What was the beginning, what was the middle, and what was the end of the story. So this story is a play. I'm going to read it, which means I'm all the characters, so it makes it harder to understand. When we read it in class, we had different people reading it, so it was easier to understand. So you're going to have to pay attention to who's who, okay? As I read, we're going to talk about the setting and the characters right at the beginning of the story. Remember that characters are who is in the story, and the setting is where the story takes place. Where it takes place, okay? So, folktales teach us useful lessons and share wisdom with us. They explain things about the natural world. This folktale tells how beetles got such bright colors. The story comes from the rainforest of Brazil. That is the setting of this play. So there you go right there. That is the setting. The setting is the rainforest, which we learned about earlier in the week and we've talked about on Monday. So rainforest of Brazil. Many different plants and animals make their homes in the rainforest. Some of those animals are the characters in this play. So we have the beetle, who is a gray colored insect, arrow frog, agouti, jaguar, parrot, and anaconda. So we're going to not go any further until we get that on our paper. So first we have the characters. The characters are beetle, arrow frog, agouti, which is a rodent animal with glossy brown fur, agouti, jaguar, parrot, and I'm going to put anaconda over here so you can read it. Anaconda. Okay, so those are, that's an N, sorry. Those are the characters in the story we're going to read. And the setting, do you remember where it said? Something we talked about earlier in the week? The rainforest, good. So, rainforest in Brazil. Okay, so you can go ahead and pause and get that on your paper.